Hi, this is Sagar Nil Das, and today I'm really gratified to have been selected at 9th Kolkata Shorts International Film Festival 2020 for my short film, A Fractal Mind. I would like to thank all the judges and say congratulations to all my fellow participants for being selected in this amazing film festival. So today I'm here to talk about my film, A Fractal Mind. So I always had this crazy idea in my mind about how each of us is connected through time to each other, and I always believed that the event unfolding in front of us every day, how those events have already happened in the past and are also going to happen in the future. I always believed that there's an atropic principle at play here where each event, each of the actions we take, and each of the consequences we face are very much connected to each other, and not only it is connected to each other through space but also through time, where it's an everlasting chain of loops or cycle of events which are occurring recursively. And so I noticed that there might be a fractal pattern to that. A fractal mind is about that. So one of the major roadblocks I faced during shooting this film was lack of clarity. So as this was my first short film, I really didn't have any financial support for this, and it was completely self-financed. So one of the major challenges I faced during shooting this film was definitely human resources, as I didn't have any kind of external support for shooting this film apart from my mother carrying the gimbal sometime and my father shooting for the film. So initially I really didn't envision the film in a very elaborate fashion. As I said, I have never been to Andaman before this, and so I really didn't know what to expect there. All I had were some fractured images in my mind, just like a mosaic. But with that being said, as I knew that this was about a person trapped inside his own mind, trying to connect the dots between the past, present, and the future entities of himself. An island would be a very perfect place to shoot that. From my teens, I was very interested in the art of filmmaking, and there were two places which really helped me nurture that side of mine. One was my own university, Jadavpur University's own film festival, and the second was Kolkata Short Film Festival, which I regularly attended, and this is where I saw some great films, and I understood that Kolkata really has this segment of high intellect people who really still love to watch films which makes them think. So this being my very first short film, I absolutely have no idea about how the marketing aspect of this industry works. Apart from the fact I know that I can make a page of one film and publish it in social medias and keep the conversation going, or make a website. But these are very novice ideas, I know that. So I believe that the main reason that audience should watch this film is because this film implements a very new kind of storytelling. It talks about those moments in our life where even Einstein's general relativity equation breaks down, and only most likely only quantum physics holds up. And it talks about that in a very spiritual and philosophical way. So I believe that's why the audience should watch my film. So I would like to thank again to 9th Kolkata Shorts International Film Festival 2020 for giving me this amazing opportunity, especially since the origin of COVID-19, our daily life has been disrupted like never before, and this kind of news are the beams of lights which we tend to thrive for. And to all my fellow participants and judges and all the other people who made this film festival possible. Whoever you are, wherever you are, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll get through this together. Thank you.